80% off outdoor kitchen moving sale. Woo! Going on now at Outdoor Dream Company. Woo-hoo! We have 40 outdoor kitchens, brand new, fully warranted, that need to go before we move. Everything must go. That's right, everything's on sale. 80% off, guys, everything must go. Stainless steel hardware, fully warranted, outdoor kitchens, granite countertops. You gotta see it to believe it. Come and see us. We have 40 kitchens that are on clearance. 80% off. Like this beauty right here, now only $13,900. Stainless steel, granite countertops, porcelain tile. You cannot beat these deals. Don't miss this incredible opportunity. Once they're gone, they're gone. Take advantage of the biggest opportunity in company history before we move. Everything must go. Let's transform your backyard. This offer is very limited. Check out our showroom, 7720 Phillips Highway. You want to take advantage of this opportunity. If you have any questions, visit our website, give us a call, or come and see us here in Jacksonville, Florida. Can't wait to take your outdoor dreams to the next level. Do not wait. Come and see us today.